Hi, I'm David Shepherd, and I'm your provincial representative here in Edmonton-Centre. I've got to say, over the last 19 months since I was elected, not a day has gone by that I haven't been reminded what an incredible honor that is. I've had the opportunity to meet many of you at local events, at coffee houses, town halls, on your doorsteps, and in your work at many of the amazing organizations that call Edmonton-Centre home. And thanks to your support, we've been able to see some incredible things start getting done for our community. $1.2 billion being invested in affordable, accessible, and supportive housing. Some of that's going to be right here in Edmonton-Centre to help ensure that with this amazing revitalization we're seeing happen in the downtown core, nobody gets left behind. I had the opportunity to join Premier Rachel Notley at the Grant MacEwan University in their daycare space to announce new funding for pilot programs to provide childcare here in the province capped at no more than $25 a day. There's a new Alberta Child Benefit that's helping low-income families make ends meet and ensure that their children can thrive. And new funding for organizations that are dedicated to supporting new Canadians and aiding in the fight against violence against women and children. There's a new investor tax credit that I had the honor of helping to support in the legislature that's going to bring more investment in, help diversify our economy by supporting our vibrant local startup community. And I've been incredibly proud to see that Alberta's climate leadership plan is now leading the country as the Government of Canada is joining us in putting a price on carbon and phasing out coal-fired electricity. On a more personal note, I was really happy that I had the opportunity to introduce local advocates for safe consumption sites to our ministers of health, opening a conversation that has led to direct provincial support for sites here in our community that are going to help to ensure that men and women who struggle with addictions are going to have access to safe medical supports that are going to allow them to get help with dignity and help keep our communities safer and cleaner. I'm also very happy with the work I've had the opportunity to do with our local African and Caribbean communities. I've had a chance to join them for many of their community events, talk with them and hear about their concerns and issues, and I'm looking forward to February 2nd when I get the opportunity to join Speaker Bob Warner in hosting the Alberta Legislature's first celebrations for Black History Month, recognizing the rich diversity of heritage and culture that Black Albertans have helped bring to our province. I've been honored to have the opportunity to work with many great colleagues who are truly committed to helping to move our province forward and standing against those who would drag us backwards into an era of reckless cuts, short-sighted policies, and an economy utterly dependent on the volatile price of oil. And I'm honored to work with so many of you in our community who are dedicated to doing exactly the same. So from me to you, thank you so much for giving me this honor. We know our opposition is going to get louder. They're going to push back harder, but we're going to push back too. Me and all of my colleagues are going to continue fighting to create jobs, to diversify our economy, and to continue to provide and support the services that all Albertans rely on. So I wish you all the best over the holidays, and I look forward to continuing to work and fight alongside you in 2017. Have a wonderful holiday season.